These are the Winker heavy duty shelf brackets. A pair of two can hold between 800 and 1,000 pounds. We're using them here to hold up our butcher block countertop. This is 8 feet long and supported this side by this cabinet. They come pre-drilled on the side that you'll secure into the wall. I upgraded the screws to have some wall anchors on here because we were right next to the stud and I couldn't get the spacing correct to have both these screws onto the stud. So I added in something for a little bit extra security. I also had to drill a hole in the center here so I could screw that up into the butcher block. I did make sure this hole was widened a little bit so that I didn't have any expansion issues. And this has been set up like this for about 8 months now and there's been no issue at all. So if you are getting these, just be aware that you're going to have to get a drill bit to drill through this 1/4 inch thick bracket. This is 16 inches long. Has this nice little bevel on the edge here so that you can get really close to the edge of your countertop and then you won't be able to see it so much. Really nice touch. Has this support bracket here to support the 16-inch leg, 10-inch leg down this side here, and then these are 2.5 inches apart with 5 screws going into the wall here. These brackets are solid. Been really happy with these brackets, how well they're holding up and supporting this butcher block countertop. It's not light and they're doing a really good job at supporting it. They have this nice black finish on them and there's no sign of it wearing off. Looks really good. Nice welds in the corner here. Really impressed with the quality of these brackets and how well they do hold this butcher block up. I was concerned it was going to fall off the first day, but it didn't. So you're looking for some brackets to hold up a shelf or your countertop like I'm using mine for here. We recommend you get these Winker heavy duty support brackets. Just make sure you get a drill bit as well if you do need to drill through this top bracket into your shelf or countertop.